And who's this little guy with you?
That's my son, Hayden.
Don't you know what your job is as a parent?
Yeah.
To teach your kid how to be a good, responsible citizen that follows the law, right?
Yep.
All right, this is 243132, the People versus Diamond Everidge.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jeffrey Panther on behalf of Ms. Everidge. Waive formal reading, stand mute. And my client's prepared to enter plea of guilty, the charge of larceny, be deferred under 771.1, period of 1 year, pay $500 in court costs, pay that at $50 per month, stay out of JC Penney. Don't have any more difficulties. It would be non-reporting. At the end of that 12-month period, the matter would be dismissed.
Ma'am, did you understand everything your attorney just said?
Yes.
Did you go over your rights with your attorney that are outlined on this advice of rights form? Oh,
Yes.
sorry, my was off. Did you
Yeah.
understand your rights?
Yes.
And did you give Mr. Fanto permission to sign your name on that advice of rights form?
Yes.
You understand that if you enter a plea of guilty, you'll be waiving the trial rights listed on that form. There will be no trial of any kind.
Yes.
And you understand that if you are currently on probation or parole and you enter a plea of guilty, it could be a violation of your conditions.
Yes.
And if you're not a citizen of the United States and you enter a plea, it could have immigration consequences up to deportation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And the maximum possible penalty on this is up to 90 days in jail, a fine of up to $500, or 3 times the value of the property. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Knowing all of that, how do you plead the charge of larceny?
Guilty.
Has anyone forced you to plead?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to plead?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Were you in the city of Taylor on November 15th of 2024?
Yes.
While you were in the city, did you go into JC Penney?
Yes.
And what'd you do in JC Penney that makes you guilty of larceny?
I took a few items,
What were they?
a pair of boots and a jacket.
And then what'd you do?
I walked out of the store and the security got me and they took me back to the room and I was, what's the word? I was cooperative and I gave them back their items.
Did you do it with the intent to steal that property?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Fanto?
I am, Judge.
Okay, I'm going to accept the plea as knowing and voluntarily given. And pursuant to the plea agreement, you will pay $500 at $50 a month. And you are on non-reporting probation. What's the period of non-reporting?
Well, I'm sorry, 12 months, Judge.
12 months of non-reporting probation, and you're to stay out of JC Penney's. You can't go to Southland Mall at all. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Miss Everidge, how old are you?
I am 28.
And who's this little guy with you?
That's my son, Hayden.
Don't you know what your job is as a parent?
Yeah.
To teach your kid how to be a good, responsible citizen that follows the law, right?
Yep.
And you weren't stealing bread. You're a thief. You have bad character, Miss Everidge. You steal. You shouldn't be. If I was your friend, I wouldn't trust you in my house because you have bad character. That's your sentence. I hope you learned something from this because it's, you should.
Well, I already heard a earful from my brother. He's a state cop. So yeah. I know, I'm not gonna do it again.
But at 28, you shouldn't even have to hear it from someone. Like, you should know there should be something inside of you that tells you this is wrong and it's not worth whatever I'm taking. And it should give you incredible anxiety to even think about behaving like that at your age, or at any age, but especially your age. So those are the terms. You've got a payment plan. If you get a new charge in the 12 months while you're on probation, we will reconsider the non-reporting status of your probation.
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Thank
All
you,
right,
Judge.
thank you.